Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there was a young student named Hiro. Hiro was eager to learn the ways of Zen, a philosophy that emphasized inner peace, mindfulness, and the interconnectedness of all things. He sought guidance from a wise old Zen master who lived in a humble cottage by the Mirror Lake at the edge of the village. One sunny morning, Hiro approached the Zen master and bowed respectfully. "Master," he said, "I yearn to understand the true nature of myself and the world. Can you teach me?" The Zen master smiled warmly and gestured for Hiro to follow him. They walked in silence to the Mirror Lake, its surface so still that it seemed to hold the secrets of the universe. The Zen master invited Hiro to sit by the water's edge and contemplate. Hiro stared into the tranquil lake, his gaze fixed upon his reflection. He saw his own face, his eyes reflecting curiosity and longing. As he continued to gaze, something extraordinary happened. The ripples on the water's surface began to settle, and Hiro's reflection became clearer and more vivid. In that moment, Hiro's mind quieted, and he felt a deep sense of peace. He understood that just as the lake reflected his own image, it also reflected the beauty and interconnectedness of the entire world. Every tree, every bird, and every living being was interconnected, like the intricate patterns formed by the ripples on the lake. Days turned into weeks, and Hiro returned to the lake every day, sitting in quiet contemplation. He observed the changing seasons, the delicate dance of the dragonflies, and the rustling of the leaves in the wind. With each passing day, Hiro felt a deeper connection to the world around him. One evening, as the sun set behind the mountains, Hiro finally understood the profound lesson the Zen master had been guiding him towards. He realized that the stillness of the lake mirrored the stillness within his own heart. In that stillness, he discovered his true nature, a boundless and interconnected being, part of a vast cosmic tapestry. Filled with gratitude and newfound wisdom, Hiro returned to the Zen master to express his heartfelt appreciation. The Zen master nodded and said, "My dear student, you have witnessed the reflection of your own true nature and discovered the interconnectedness of all things. Carry this wisdom with you always and share it with others. May you bring peace and harmony wherever your journey takes you." From that day forward, Hiro became a devoted student of Zen, spreading the teachings of interconnectedness and mindfulness to all those he encountered. And whenever he found himself seeking guidance, he would return to the Mirror Lake, gazing into its depths to reconnect with his true nature and the wisdom it held. Remember, dear reader, that just like Hiro, each of us has the power to discover our own true nature and recognize the interconnectedness that binds us all. Let us gaze into the mirror of our hearts and find peace, harmony, and unity in a world that is as vast and wondrous as the reflection on a still Zen Mirror Lake.